In section 4.1, we started talking about examining quantitative data. The first learning objective in this section is to identify and construct, primarily using technology, appropriate graphs for quantitative data, including dot plots, histograms, stem plots, and box plots. The website Weather Underground tracks weather data from around the world. The following data is from Salt Lake City, Utah for April of 16 recent years. Create an appropriate graph to display the data. We're going to create these graphs using Geogebra. I've entered the data values. Scroll up so you could see them. So you can see the values here, 13, 14, 12, etc., all the way through 10, which is the last data value given. And I'm going to highlight the data and then click on the histogram icon and select one variable analysis. This will open up a new window, and it brings up a histogram of the data. You can use this slider bar here to change the number of bars that are included in the histogram. So we can move it to a lot of bars or very few bars. I'll put it here somewhere in the middle. That maybe looks a little bit more interesting. If you click on the drop-down menu, there are several other options. We will not select a bar chart because that is a graph used for categorical data, but we can look at a box plot. Here it is. We can look at a dot plot. There we go. And we can look at a stem and leaf plot, or as we call it in our textbook, a stem plot. The stem plot's not that interesting because we only have values in the single digits, and in the tens there is a high value of 21. But these options here allow us to the -1, 0, and 1 allow us to move the decimal place. So if we move the decimal place one place to the left, now the leaf unit is the first decimal place. So notice that they're all zeros because I have all whole numbers. But I have one value that's an 8, one that's a 9. I'll move it back so that the leaf unit is the ones place, and then I could move it even so that the leaf unit is the tens place. That means that our stem is in the hundreds, which is not that interesting since I don't have any values in the hundreds. They're all in the tens place. But I'll go back here to where the leaf unit is the first decimal place, and that's a little bit more interesting. Okay, so as you can see, Geogebra will give you all of the graphs for quantitative variables: histograms, box plots, dot plots, and stem plots. Let's move to the second question here, which is talking about identifying what the appropriate types of graphs are. What type of graphical summary would be appropriate for displaying the number of hours that a household watches TV per week? Select all that apply. Number of hours watching TV is a quantitative variable, so we can use a histogram, we can use a box plot, a dot plot, or a stem plot. Bar plots and pie charts are both for categorical variables only.